You know, our pets are just the cutest, right? We can't imagine life without them. But let's be real, they can turn our floors into a mess in no time. Pet hair stuck in the carpet, fur on the hardwood, and oh, the lovely trail of kitty litter. Now, a good robot vacuum can save you so much time, but here's the thing, not all of them get the job done. Some barely pick up pet hair. Some get tangled so badly you have to rescue them every other day. And yes, a few can't even spot and avoid pet accidents. Yikes. So today we're looking at 5 of the best robot vacuums for pet owners in no particular order. I'll walk you through cleaning performance, noise levels, obstacle avoidance, all the stuff that actually matters in real life. I've also put together a handy comparison chart for all 5 models. You'll find it in the description along with direct links to each one. If you decide to grab one through those links, we'll get a small commission at no extra cost to you. It's a simple way to support the channel, and I truly appreciate it. All right, let's jump in. First on our list is the Eufy 11S Max, proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to keep pet hair under control. Priced well under most high-end models, it's an excellent choice for pet owners who just want something simple, reliable, and affordable. The 11S Max offers 2,000 pascals of suction power. Now that's not the highest here, but it's plenty for hard floors, tile, and medium pile carpets, especially if your main concern is pet hair and light debris rather than deep cleaning thick rugs. In my tests, it handled cat and dog hair without leaving visible strands, and even picked up scattered kitty litter surprisingly well. One of its biggest advantages is its ultra-slim 2.85-inch profile. It slides under beds, sofas, and other low furniture where pet hair tends to collect. If your pets love hiding under the couch, this vacuum can go right in after their fur without you moving furniture. It uses a single side brush, which works fine for short to medium hair. For long-haired pets like golden retrievers or ragdoll cats, you might still need to clear the brush occasionally. The dustbin is simple to remove and empty, so you won't be fighting with clumps of hair stuck inside. Battery life is about 100 minutes on a single charge, which is enough for smaller homes or quick daily cleans. And at 55 to 60 decibels, it's quieter than many vacuums, so it's less likely to spook your pets. It doesn't have advanced mapping or object recognition, just basic infrared sensors and drop detection, which means it might gently bump into furniture or get stuck on cords or small pet toys, so it's best for simpler layouts. On our pet-friendly scale, the Eufy 11S Max lands at 5.8 out of 10, a great budget pick if you value quiet operation and a slim design over advanced features. Next is the Roborock Q5 Max Plus, which moves us into more premium territory. If the Eufy 11S Max is about keeping things simple, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus adds both muscle and brains. With 5,500 pascals of suction, it digs deep into carpets to pull out embedded hair that lighter models might miss. In my tests, it easily lifted cat hair from rugs and pulled dog hair from carpet fibers, a must-have if your pets shed year-round. Its duo-roller all-rubber main brush is a highlight. Unlike traditional bristle brushes that trap fur, the all-rubber design reduces tangles dramatically, meaning less time spent cutting fur off the brush.
For homes with long-haired pets, this can be a game-changer. Navigation is a major upgrade too. The Q5 Max Plus uses precise sense LiDAR navigation with smart mapping, 3D obstacle detection, multi-level mapping for up to 4 floors, and virtual no-go zones to keep it out of certain areas, perfect for blocking off pet beds or feeding corners.
Battery life is excellent at up to 240 minutes, and you can control it via app, buttons, or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home. Noise is 66 to 74 decibels, a bit louder than average, so noise-sensitive pets may take some time to adjust. On our pet-friendly scale, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus scores 7.8 out of 10. Strong performance, great navigation, and a brush design that's perfect for homes with long-haired pets. The Dreame L40 Ultra is where things start to feel truly high-tech, with 11,000 pascals of suction making it one of the most powerful here. That power is especially noticeable when dealing with pet hair embedded deep in rugs or trapped in carpet edges. The extendable side brush is one of my favorite pet-friendly features. When cleaning along baseboards or into corners, it extends outward to reach hidden fur, then retracts to avoid tangling. Pair that with its anti-tangle technology, and it's well prepared for shedding season. A quick note, its tri-cut anti-tangle brush is sold separately, not included by default, so that's something to consider if you want the full hair management setup. Navigation is top tier. 3D structured light, a built-in camera, and LED lighting let it identify over 100 objects, even at night. That's perfect for avoiding pet bowls, toys, and even certain floor clutter. Battery life is up to 180 minutes, and you can control it via app, remote, or voice assistants. At 4.1 inches tall, it may not fit under the lowest furniture, and it comes with a higher price tag,
But for multi-pet homes, it's a powerhouse. For mopping, it uses removable, liftable rotary mops that spin to scrub dirt, paw prints, and even dried pet messes off hard floors. The lift feature means it won't drag a wet mop over your carpets.
And then there's the base station. It doesn't just recharge the vacuum, it automatically empties the dustbin, refills the water tank, and even washes and dries the mop paths. That last part is especially pet-friendly because drying prevents odors and bacteria from building up on wet pads. It saves you from touching dirty mop cloths every day, which is a big relief if you're already busy dealing with pet messes. And here's something extra. Even when you're not at home, you can use real-time video monitoring and voice control to keep an eye on your pets and interact with them, almost like having a pet cam built right into your robot vacuum.
On our pet-friendly scale, the Dreame L40 Ultra earns an 8.2 out of 10, a smart, powerful choice for households that want both vacuuming and mopping done right.
The Eufy X10 Pro Omni is designed with pet owners in mind, and it shows in nearly every feature. It packs 8,000 pascals of suction power, plenty to handle both fine pet hair on hard floors and embedded fur in rugs. One of its standout features is the auto-detangling roller brush. If you've ever had to cut pet hair out of a brush roller, you know how much of a game changer this is. It actively loosens and removes wrapped hair so you spend less time on maintenance. Navigation is powered by iPath laser mapping, and the AI.C smart cleaning system can identify over 100 objects, including pet bowls, toys, and even certain floor clutter, reducing the risk of getting stuck mid-clean. Battery life is excellent at up to 240 minutes, and you get multiple control options: app, button, remote, touchpad, and voice. It's not the slimmest robot here, so it may not reach under the lowest couches, and noise levels of 57 to 74 decibels are moderate, fine for most pets, but noise-sensitive animals might need some time to adjust. For mopping, the X10 Pro Omni uses dual mops spinning at 180 RPM with about 1 kilogram of downward pressure. That's enough to scrub away muddy paw prints, food drips, and other everyday pet messes. And with its 12mm auto lift feature, it can roll over thresholds and carpets without dragging wet pads across them. The dock is designed to handle maintenance for you. It empties the dustbin into a 2.5-liter bag that lasts around 2 months, automatically refills the water tank, and washes the mop pads with hot water. It even dries them with heated air, preventing smells from building up. While it doesn't have extra pet cam features, this hands-off system makes daily upkeep much easier in a busy pet household. On our pet-friendly scale, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni comes in at 8.2 out of 10, a versatile option that minimizes brush maintenance while tackling both hair and paw prints with ease. And finally, the Roborock Qrevo Curv, the suction king of this group with a massive 18,500 pascals. It's overkill in the best way if you have thick carpets or heavy shedders. Its zero-tangling duo-divide main brush works with the FlexiArm Arc side brush to separate and guide hair away, reducing wraps dramatically. Combined with optimized airflow, it pulls stubborn fur from deep within carpet fibers. Navigation is top-notch. Pre-sense light on napping plus reactive AI with RGB cameras and structured light to identify and avoid pet toys, bowls, and cables, even in dim light. And when it comes to crossing thresholds, it can handle up to 40 millimeters, or about 1.5 inches, which means it can easily move between rooms and over raised door frames without getting stuck. With up to 240 minutes of runtime, it's built for large homes or multi-room cleaning. Noise levels are relatively low at around 55 to 61 decibels, making it one of the quieter high-power vacuums here, a big plus if you have pets that are sensitive to loud sounds. For mopping, the dual-spitting mop heads scrub away dirt, stains, and muddy paw prints, and with a 17mm lift, it moves between surfaces without dragging wet pads on carpets. Its dock is just as advanced as the robot itself. It empties into a 2.7-liter dust bag that lasts about 7 weeks, refills the water tank, and uses hot water to wash mop pads before drying them automatically. And beyond cleaning, it doubles as a pet-friendly hub. You can make real-time video calls, use two-way voice to talk to your pets, and even rely on automatic pet recognition with snapshots, turning the vacuum into a mobile pet companion. On our pet-friendly scale, the Roborock Qrevo Curv tops the chart with 9.2 out of 10, the ultimate choice for pet-heavy households that want the very best. And that's our list of the 5 best robot vacuums for pet hair. Hopefully you found one that fits your home and your budget. Remember, comparison chart, product links, all waiting for you in the description. And if you shop through our links, thank you so much for helping keep this channel going. Now
Next time, we're talking robot mops. Spin pads, roller pads, which one actually gets the floor really clean? I think the results might surprise you. See you in the next one.